Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the brick bowl raspberry safe ice recipe in Heartopia. So right now Heartopia has a new event that called Modular Street, and in this event you can cook many special food recipe. One of them is this secret recipe, brick bowl raspberry safe ice. And to unlock this recipe is very easy. First, just go to your serving card. This is the special cooking stations for this event. And if you still don't know how to craft this serving card or this cooking stations, you can just check the link in the description to watch the tutorial. And then after that, just tap on it, and then next just choose this recipe, brick bowl fruit safe ice, the original recipe that you can get it from the NPC Masimo. You can buy it from him. And then after that, just complete all the ingredients. You need condensed milk and then brick ice that you can get this too from the NPC Massimo too. And then in here, just replace the fruit with the raspberry like this. And then after that, just simply tap on start cooking. And then just cook the ice like this. And just like that, you will successfully unlock this brick bowl raspberry safe ice, and the recipe will be automatically added to your cooking collections like this. You can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.